All of these pieces have been fully finished and dried and resined, coated with a sparkling dragonfly glaze in the resin, giving it this lovely finish. All of these different techniques and products will be in YouTube tutorials on my YouTube channel, and I'll pop in the link in the below comments. This one was I think the video is coming up tomorrow, but yeah, absolutely gorgeous, all looking very much dragonfly dragon scales, should I say. So it's just a little one I was trying, came out super colourful and super gorgeous. I hope you like them, and if you'd like to learn how to do these and many other techniques with acrylic arts, pigments, alcohol inks, mixed media, then subscribe to my channel and catch up with the 1500 videos that I've already got on there. So hope you enjoy these upcoming videos, and